Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a ScrawlrBox unboxing. This is my first one, so I'm quite excited, and let's see what we can make. So I haven't actually opened this up yet. I've just ripped off the back. And I'm excited to see what's in here. Let's open it up. Ooh. Okay. Let's put this back. I love this. Create more. Ooh, what is it? Oh, it looks like a little pocket sketchbook. This is really cute. It's for the pages. Okay. I love this on the front. I think that's really pretty. Okay, what else have we got? So I assume this is the artist of the month. I really like this as well. This is definitely going to go up on my wall. So the featured artist for this month is Rob Draper, and you can find all of his links here. Rob Draper is an artist and designer based in the UK, specialising in hand lettering. Cool. I love hand lettering. That's actually really pretty. I'm going to keep that for definite. What's this? Oh, some paper. This feels like kind of like cardboard, but kind of not. Kind of like paper at the same time. I kind of like it. Oh, I can't wait to do some hand lettering. I love hand lettering. Let's open this up. And first of all, we have the ScrawlrBox sticker. This is actually really nice. Usually they do like the blue one, but I actually really like this. It's kind of got the same design as this on there. And then we've got the menu, which I'm not going to look at just yet. Let's see what else we've got. Okay. Ooh, the world's glitteriest plant-based glitter. This is the Stuart Semple Gold Dazzle glitter. Okay, this is going to get messy, I can tell already. I better put some paper down there before we start. And oh, is this a chocolate coin? Is this a chocolate coin? Please tell me this is chocolate. I used to love getting these when I was a kid. Oh, yay! Guess who's going to eat that now? Me. Next we have the Faber-Castell Pitt Artist pens in black. I used to have these a long time ago, back when I was in school, and I used to love the bold one, not the bold one, the brush one. So I know that these are good, so I'm looking forward to using those again. Then it looks like we have got a Uni-ball Signo broad gel pen in white. I think I've used this before as well, which I actually really liked it, so I'm glad I've got one of those again. Then we've got a gold pencil by the looks of it. ScrawlrBox and Viking 4B. Gold. How exciting. Well, it looks gold, whether it is or not. Or it might just be a normal pencil, I can't really tell. And then lastly, we've got a sticky glue pen. PVA glue. How exciting. Okay, it looks like I'm going to be using a lot of glitter and pens. Right, let's get this out of the way. Yep, so we've got the Pitt Artist pens, the Uni-ball Signo gel pen, oh, custom ScrawlrBox Viking pencil. That's what it is. To match the sparkly theme of this box. Oh, it looks like it's graphite, so that's cool. And then we've got the gold glitter, the glue pen, and the back pocket sketchbook, and the 2 craft sheets. So the Scrawler challenge this month is something out of nothing. So I'm probably going to do something inspired by the artist this month. So probably something typography. I might try and find a quote that I like. Okay. So I think I'm going to use some of this cardstock to create a quote from one of my favourite books, and that is Strange the Dreamer. So let's get quoting. Okay, so now that I have made a complete mess with the glitter, I'm pretty sure I'm going to be finding that glitter for months now, as soon as I have got it everywhere. This is my finished illustration. I actually really enjoyed doing this. It didn't turn out exactly how I planned, and I found that the glue stick was actually quite difficult to use if you wanted to do like finer details, but I kind of enjoyed how it came out. Like, I enjoyed the process and I think it looks nice-ish. So yeah, I'm mildly happy with my first ScrawlrBox, and yeah, I'm looking forward to next month's now. I will see you on the next video. Bye!